how to earn money or how to make money on Upwork. With the growing popularity of the gig economy and freelance work, many of us find ourselves wondering how to make money on Upwork. It's one of the most popular freelancing platforms in the world, and when a company needs to outsource a task or project, Upwork is the first place they tend to look for qualified professionals that can solve their problem. All you need is a computer and a skill, and you too can take advantage of this. Here's what we will cover in this article. Number one is what's Upwork? A quick breakdown. How do you get paid? Let's talk money. Upwork commission fees explained. How much can you earn on Upwork? How to start making money on Upwork in 3 steps. By the end of this guide, you will know how to earn on Upwork and what you have to do to start making the big bucks. What is Upwork? A quick breakdown. In short, Upwork is a job outsourcing website. A business or individual can reach out to talents in various fields with a task, or alternatively post the job publicly and receive offers from said talents. What kinds of tasks? Upwork caters to almost any type of work that can be done on a computer, with opportunities for everyone from algorithm developers to Zendesk specialists. As a talent, you will need to create an attractive profile and fill it with your skills, accolades, and previous work to showcase what jobs you are suitable for and entice customers to select your services. Unless you are a well-established freelancer, it's unlikely people will reach out to you directly. So you will need to write proposals for job postings to convince customers that you are the ideal candidate for the job. Then just do the job, get paid, and move on to the next client. How do you get paid? Let's talk money. One of the biggest annoyances faced by the freelancers is dealing with financials, invoices, accounting, chasing payments. Upwork takes care of all of that so you can focus on producing your work instead of dealing with paperwork. The platform doesn't just connect work with workers, but it also serves as a middleman between the two. It ensures payments always happen on time when work is delivered, by essentially making clients pay in advance into Upwork accounts. This way, workers are protected from clients vanishing without paying once work is underway completed. You can get paid in one of the two ways, hourly or fixed. The client will specify in the job description which method they want to use. When do you receive the funds? Upwork explains hourly contracts are based on the weekly billing cycle. The weekly billing period ends on Sunday. Your funds are available for withdrawal 10 days later. Some contracts are eligible for faster payments. Fixed price contracts are based on milestones. Once the client approves a milestone, your funds are available for withdrawal after a 5-day security period has passed. Upwork commission fees explained. Upwork does take a cut from all payments that are made on their platform. The Upwork commission fees ranges from 5 to 20%. And if you are wondering specifically how much does Upwork charge, all you need to do is consult this table. How much you bill the client, total Upwork commission. How much you bill the client, that is less than $500 is 20%. 500 to 10,000 dollars is 10%, or 10,000 plus dollars is 5%. Most important thing that you must know about is it's a sliding fee that takes into consideration total billing with a single client. What does that mean? Examples will help clarify. If you complete work for client X for $700, then you will have to pay a 20% fee for $500 and a 10% fee for $200, which amounts to $120 in fees. If you complete more work for the same client, then Upwork takes into consideration the previous earnings and continues counting from there. Let's say you complete another job for client X for $400. Now you will only have to pay 10% in fees, $40, since you are in the second fee bracket. In short, Upwork rewards repeat work with the same clients. The more you work with one client, the less you pay in fees for the specific client. How much can you earn on Upwork? There's no concrete answer, as this depends on such factors as what kind of work you do, what rates the clients offer, how successful your proposals are, how much competition is there in your field, how much you end up paying in fees, and more. Some people build entire careers and can earn hundreds of thousands a year, whereas many others never get a proposal accepted and give up on the platform before making a single cent. How to start making money on Upwork in 3 steps. Identify what you can offer. First and foremost, you need to identify what skills you have that you can put on offer. If you specialize in any of these top 100 skills, it's good news for you. But even if you don't, you can still earn with Upwork as long as your work can be conducted on computer. Create an account and polish your profile. A good profile is half the battle. Creating an account and filling out your profile takes no time at all, but doing it well is a different story entirely. Start sending proposals. As I said previously, a good profile is half the battle, the other half are fantastic proposals. During most of your Upwork experience, you will need to browse jobs and send proposals in order to make money on Upwork. Just like with the overview, your proposal needs to be clear, concise, and substantiated.